Okay, class 8, this is your part 2 video, okay, from exercise 11.1 linear equation in one variables, okay. And today we start from question number 13. 2x minus 3 upon 3x plus 4 equals to 3 upon 5. We know that rules, this is cross multiply, okay. So 5 multiply 2x minus 3 equals to 3 multiply 3x plus 4. So 5 2s are 10x minus 5 3 15, 3 3 9x plus 3 4s are 12. Okay. First of all, shift this all the algebraic expression this side and all the constant term that side. Okay. So 10x plus 9x, it's minus 9x, 12 minus 15, it's plus 15. Okay, all the algebraic expressions in the left hand side and all the constant term in the right hand side. So 10x minus 9x is x and 12 plus 15, it's 27. Clear? Okay, now term for question number 15. 4x plus 3 minus 9x, 7 minus 5x minus 2x equals to 6 upon 7. So 4x plus 3 minus 9x, 7 minus 5x minus 2x. First of all, you open the bracket. Okay. 4x minus 9x, it's minus 5x plus 3, 7 minus 5x minus 2x minus 7x equals to 6 upon 7. Okay. So again we cross multiply. 7 multiply minus 5x plus 3 equals to 6, 7 minus 7x. So 7 5s are minus 35x plus 7 3s are 21, 6 7s are 42, minus 6 7s are 42x. Again 35x minus 42x come this side, that is plus 42x equals to 42 plus 21, that side minus 21. So minus plus minus, that is 42 minus 35 is 7x equals to 42 minus 21, that is 21. So x equals to 21 upon 7. So value of x is 3. Clear? Note. Okay. Question number 16. In question number 16, x plus 2 minus x by 2 equals to 1 plus x minus 3 by 3. Okay. And next question with that, hence find the value of y if 3 upon x plus 1 upon y equals to 3. Clear? So first of all, we find the value of x. Nothing is in the denominator, so we write 2. Taking the LCM of 1 and 2, that is 2. Division of 2 and 1, so it's 2 into x, that is 2x. Okay. 2 divide 2, that is 1. 1 multiply 2 minus x is 2 minus x equals 2. Again taking LCM of 3 1, that is 3. This one division, this 3. So 3 1 is 3 plus this divided this, that is 1, and 1 into x minus 3 is x minus 3. Okay. So 2x minus x, that is x plus 2 by 2 equals to 3. 3 cancel. So x upon 3. Multiplication of this. So 3 multiply x plus 2 equals to 2 into x. So 3x, 3 into x, 3x plus 3 to just 6 equals to 2x. So 3x minus 2x equals to plus 6, that is minus 6. So 3x minus 2x is x equals to minus 6. Clear? So we get the value of x. Putting the value of x in this equation, that is 3 upon x plus 1 upon y equals to 3. So 3 upon x, that is minus 6 plus 1 upon y equals to 3. So when we divide, getting minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon y equals to 3. Okay. Clear? Okay. So 1 upon y equals to 3. This is minus 1 by 2, getting this side, that is plus 1 by 2. So 1 by y equals to taking LCM of 2 1 1 is 2, this divided 2 2 3 just 6, this divided this, that is 1 1 1 ja 1, so 1 upon y equals to 7 by 2. So the value of y equals to reciprocate na, if 1 by y equals to 7 by 2, then y equals to 2 upon 7. Clear? Note. Now turn for question number 17. So question number 17, x minus 1 minus x by 2 minus 7x minus 1 plus 5x equals to 1 by 2. Again one more question add with this one. Find m if x equals to 3 minus m. Okay, so first of all we find the value of x. This one divided this, that is 2 into x 2x, minus this divide this 1, so 1 multiply 1 minus x is 1 minus x, minus 7x minus minus plus 1 plus 5x equals to 1 by 2. So 2x minus 1 minus minus plus x by 2, okay, minus 7x plus 5x, that is minus 2x plus 1 equals to 1 by 2. So 2x plus 1x, that is 3x minus 1 by 2 minus 2x plus 1 equals to 1 by 2. Clear? 2 divided 2, that is 1, so 1 multiply 3x minus 1, that is 3x minus 1, minus this divide this 2 into 2 4x, plus this divide this 2 1 ja 2 equals to 1 by 2. So 3x minus 4x, it's minus x, minus 1 plus 2, it's plus 1, okay, equals to 1 by 2, and these 2 multiply this side into 2, so 2 cancel, so minus x plus 1 equals to 1. So minus x 1 minus 1, so minus x 1 minus 1 is 0, so x equals to 0, value of x equals to 0. Okay, if x equals to 3 minus m, find the value of m. So m, if x equals to 0, so 3 minus m, so plus 3 comes this side, that is minus 3 equals to minus m, minus minus cancel, m equals to 3. Note. Question number 18, x equals to m plus 2. Find the value of m from the equation 3m minus 4 by 2 minus 4x minus 3 by 6 equals to 3. If okay, so find the value of m. First of all we see value of x equals to m plus 2. Clear? So 3m minus 4 upon 2 minus 4. In place of x we write down m plus 2 minus 3 by 6 equals to 3. Clear? So 3m minus 4 by 2 minus 4 into m, that is 4m plus 4 2s are 8 minus 3 upon 6 equals to 3. 3m minus 4 upon 2 minus 4m plus 8 minus 3, it's 5 upon 6 equals to 3. Okay, so when we take the LCM of 2 or 6, we get 6. Clear? So 6 divided by 2, it's 3, and 3 multiply this one, so 3 multiply 3m minus 4 minus 6 divided 6, that is 1, so 1 multiply 4m plus 5 equals to 3. Okay, so first of all we open this bracket, so 3 into 3m 9m minus 3 4s are 12 minus 4m plus minus 5 upon 6 equals to 3. Okay, so 9m minus 4m, it's 5m minus 12 minus 15 minus 12 minus 5, sorry, upon 6 equals to 3. So 5m minus 12 minus 5, it's minus 17 upon 6 equals to 3. So this 6 this side, so 5m minus 17 equals to 3 into 6, so 5m minus 17 equals to 18. So 5m equals to 18 minus 17 this side, that is plus 17. So 5m equals to 35. M equals to 35 by 5 equals to 7. So the value of m is 7. Clear? Now it's time for exercise 11.2. okay, exercise 11.2. the first question from this exercise, it's actually application based. Okay, so the first question from this exercise, a number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. If 9 is subtracted from the number, its digits are interchanged. Find the number. Okay, so first of all we check the question. A number consists of 2 digits whose sum is 9. Let one's digit be x, that is unit digit, and tens digit be y. Clear? X number consists 2 digits like this one, 45, 54, 63, 36, whatever. So the first digit, unit digit, we taking x, and the tens digit y. Okay, so a number consists 2 digits whose sum is 9. That is clear, whose sum is 9. X plus y equals to 9. When you add 2 digits, the sum is 9. Okay, or the first number, or we do the second number, whatever, sum is 9. Okay, x plus y equals to 9. If 9 is subtracted from the number, the digits are interchanged. That means suppose this one 63 is converted into 36, is 72 converted to 27, digits are interchanged. Okay, that means what? So the number written in this manner, 10y plus x. Suppose if you want to write 54, how we write? 10 into 5 plus 4, so this is the meaning of 54. 10 into 5, 50 plus 4, that is 54. So this is a 10 plus, so 10 into y plus x. If 9 is subtracted from this number getting reversed, that is 45, so 10 into 4 plus 5. Clear? So reverse, so this getting reversed, that means here y and here is x, so 10x plus y. Clear? Again I repeat, this is your number. If 9 is subtracted from the number getting reversed. So 10y plus x getting changed, so 10x plus y. So 10y minus y plus x, if you want to write from this side, so minus 9 here, 10x plus x getting here minus x plus y, there is minus 10y. So minus 9 equals to 9x, 10x minus 1, 9x minus 9y. We taking common 9. So 9 taking common, so you get x, because 9 cancel, x is left, and 9 cancel, y is left, minus 9. Okay, so this 9 is here, multiply, come here. So minus 9 by 9 equals to x minus y. This one cancel, it's minus 1. So x minus 1 equals to minus 1. This is your equation 2 and this is your equation 1. Clear? First equation is x plus 1 and second equation is x minus 1 equals to minus 1. So x plus y equals to 9 and x minus y equals to minus 1. So plus y minus y cancel, 2x, 9 minus 1 is 8. So x equals to 8 upon 2, that is 4. So we confirm the ones number is 4. Okay. Putting the value of x in equation 1. So x plus y equals to 9. In place of x we write 4 plus y equals to 9. So y equals to 9 minus 4, that is 5. So our number is, we take in y in place of tens, that is 5, and once x is coming 4. So the number is 54. When we subtract 9, it getting reverse, getting 45. Okay, not